Yeah, Elliot, I'll be over as soon as kitchenly possible. Going over a friend's potluck tonight, and I've been designated the appetizer overlord. It's sci-fi night, and I can't be late. So let's fire up the kitchen as the chef gets to breaking a few eggs, or in this case, deviling them. I present to you the Queen's Deviled Egg Chamber. This takes your grandma's deviled eggs and drops them off on LB 426 for a redo. This party dish consists of a few eggs, condiments, and your preferred food coloring. We're going with black for the egg white, and bright green for the xenomorph brain filling. Take your eggs and bring them to a boil. Allow those to cook, and let's get the condiments together. Quarter cup of mayo, dried mustard powder, quarter cup of mayo, mustard powder, dried chives, relish juice, dill, horseradish, salt, and ground pepper. Gather your cooked eggs and drop them in ice water. Fetch the eggs from the ice water and then remove the shells. Next, cut the eggs down the middle and scoop out the yolk. Grab another bowl, add water and a few drops of black coloring. Drop the egg halves and let them sit for about an hour, or until desired color is reached. Ours will need to be really black. While they soak, let's make the xenomorph brains.
Do something!
Add your condiments and food color to a bowl. Use a fork to mash them, and a whisk to whip them. Put them to cool in the fridge, and let's check on those egg whites. Sprinkle your dried chives and dill over the top of the eggs for a garnish. Arrange your dish for presentation, grab some black-torn tortilla chips and load them into a bag. Smash them up similar to Ripley's maneuvering of the APC through the utility corridors. Now lay the egg-chambered floor by layering the crushed tortillas as a bed for the eggs. Now that's a deviled egg. So here's the queen and her drones and all her royalness. So try this out at home. Send us your suggestions, recipes, ideas, and maybe they'll make it into the kitchen. There you go. I'm off to the potluck with my dish in hand, and so will you if you follow these simple instructions.